Traders, Zelman here. It's August 8, 2018. After the market closed, we're going to look at ticker symbol HEME. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we're looking at HEME. Remember, we were battling things out at 7, closed above 7 yesterday, and I said it's boom time. Hey, guess what? It closed at 8.7 today, 0.0087. My opinion, it seems like we will chase the highs that we received at roughly 0.0118, and I believe we might break it as well. So let's see what happens moving forward. I'm excited about this stock. We've been watching it for quite a while. Finally broke through those 0.007 marks. The 0.007 became support before it was resistance. Great upswing today, approximately 23% or so. Remember to follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. My site's thetradingteacher.com. Have upcoming live trading courses available, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel.